Ooh, guys, look at this. Grabe. So much beautiful here, guys. Itong bagong design ng Burj Khalifa na sa baba niya. Ang cute, diba? Super cute. Blue, green, yellow. Yan ang Burj Khalifa, guys. Kita niya ng Burj Khalifa? Yan ang Burj Khalifa. The building. The tallest building here in Dubai. Yan. Actually, guys, may sound ito eh. May ano siya, may music. Tignan yung light, guys, oh. Ang blue, tingnan nyo. Nakakonek yan sa mga building. Kita nyo. Oh, diba? Ang cute, guys. Oh, so very cute. You know, ang Dubai, most beautiful. More than, ever. More than ever. Oh, diba ang cute, guys? Iba-ibang kulay. Colorful siya, diba? Kahit i-compare nyo sa ibang bansa, guys, Dubai most beautiful, you know? Dubai is most beautiful. Number 1 here in Burj Khalifa, in Burj Arab. O, diba, guys? Enjoy for watching, guys. Enjoy the view. O, diba? Tinanggal ko lang, I remove the music. I make my own music now. So, enjoy the view, guys. Continue for walking to see the view, beautiful view in this Burj Khalifa. Look at this. Hindi ako nakarating doon sa sa kabilang kanto. Yan ang Burj Khalifa. Diba? Yan, may park pa sa taas. Did you see the park? Too much beautiful here. You know? Grabe ang view dito. Super duper the beautiful view on Dubai. So come in Dubai, habibi. Let's see the beautiful Burj Arab, Burj Khalifa. But now the weather's not good, too much hot. Seems like in a oven. But enjoy your vacation here, the view only. Too much nice here. The most beautiful country, Dubai. See? Have park upstairs, that one. Diba? Cute. So much view here. Let's go continue for walking and continue to see the beautiful place here in Dubai. Let's go continue for walking, guys. Enjoy the view. I hope you like it. I think, yeah, you like it here. If you're here, but now it's so much hot, but it's okay. Need to walk, need to exercise. Diba? Super ganda pagdating ng gabi dito. It's beautiful in Dubai. Enjoy the view, guys. Ooh, grabe. So much hot. But it's okay. What to do? Let's go for enjoy only. And have a sea here in the side. Have water also here. Have fountain. You know guys, you don't hear the fountain, dancing fountain in Dubai. I removed the sound, only this one. But if you heard in the personal, oh my, the water dancing together for the water, no, the music. If the music slow, also the fountain slow. If the sound is quickly to up, also the fountain it's up. Tama ba English ko? Oh my gosh. But it's hot here guys, but it's okay. But your eyes is enjoy to see the wall, the beautiful view here and down of Burj Khalifa. If you see the personal in the dancing fountain here in the Burj Khalifa, you can enjoy it here. But now I'm walking going home, so that's why I make video and I make my own voice. Yeah. Oh, it's so hot here. Now it's 7:30 p.m. It's too much hot here. But need to go. Let's go continue for walking guys. It's so hot. Even it's hot weather now. More people also in the side. Some people here want a hot weather, but some people no. Especially the Filipino, the Filipino hate the hot weather, but it's no choice. If you're not walking, you can see the view. You need to walking and see the view, the full view here. This is a beautiful view. It's a beautiful view. Lalo na yung mga building dito. Building, it's a beautiful view here. Diba? It's hot guy, huh? But what to do? I need to do this. Oh, did you see that? The puppet. She wearing the puppet. So much hot. But maybe she take also the video to do something also. Seem like me. I'm walking, doing the video to see for everybody how is beautiful in Dubai. Oh, diba? The city of beautiful. Most beautiful here in Dubai. What is that? Pasensya na sa English ha. English gramatis ragod ko. English gramatis si Lula ba? Enjoy the view guys. A little bit dangerous. Ooh. Did you see, guys? Did you see the ano? I've been the way. Did you see? Too much nice. Too much nice the view. This is the down of the Burj Khalifa. You know, before I have part-time in Burj Khalifa, 1,000 floor, ano? 5 floor? No, not 5 floor. Because the number is 5, yeah? Mungkin 5. Too much to. And then I'm going also for interview there, 81 floor in the Burj Khalifa. How many times I'm going inside in the Burj Khalifa for part-time only. So nice siya. Even the road. Did you see the building that, guys? Too much light. You know the light? Too much light. Did you see that? Oh, all light. Too much money that one, guys. You know the federation here, it's nice here, the federation, because all what is that, respect the what is the whole this one, ay ginawa, hindi ko na alam kung ano sa English. Federation, tama ba yung ginakuan, guys, ba? Ang ginalakaran ba, respeto talaga nila. Pag tumawid ka dito, hindi ka kailangan magano ka talaga, titigil at titigil talaga sila, dahil daanan talaga ng tao pag once na magano. For my, oh my god, I don't mention the other country, don't respect the people. But did you see the light, guys? Did you see? Did you see the road? Oh, too much light. This is the Dubai City Walk, Dubai. Most beautiful place here, especially in the night. Too much beautiful. It's nice, yeah. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa view at enjoy kayo sa mga light. You see the Burj Khalifa already, yeah? This is the most beautiful city. So come to Dubai, Habibi. Habibi, come to Dubai. This is the view of the night in here in City Walk, Dubai. But now it's hot weather, but it's okay. Can you enjoy it here also? Thank you for watching, guys. Please support me. Bye. Thank you for watching. Good night.